We have the EcoFlow Delta Pro hooked up to the hub. So we have two legs going to the RV, 50 amp RV. One unit is right here with its extra battery. So this is a EcoFlow Delta Pro. We have another unit right here. They're both connected to the hub. So you see the hub go into this one right here. And guys, this is the correct way to hook up the hub. One is in the front, one's in the back. I've seen a lot of people doing it side to side. You really can't do it that way. If you're going to use 4 EcoFlow Delta Pro with the inverter, smart battery, inverter, smart battery, so you can hook it up that way to the hub. You can see right here, we're pulling 1,500 watts from the RV and putting out 778 of that from the smart battery. 2 inverters, 2 smart batteries, and what do we have over here? It's a gas tank, 2 smart generators. So one's going to one Delta Pro and the other one going to the other Delta Pro, connected right here with the cable and going over here. Now the thing is, once this thing gets to 30%, it should automatically start the smart generator, but you can control it from the app. So we're still about 89%. I can come right here and we'll pick generator 1. Okay, well, that's not the generator. This is generator 2 and this is generator 1. We'll pick generator 1, go down, slide the bar, and there you go. It starts the generator. Okay, generator's on. Okay, right here, generator's putting out 1,500 watts. And your smart battery is shut down. It's running all in the generator right now. Recharging the smart battery. Actually, it's just handling the load right now. So I just have one smart generator on, and as you can see, it's actually holding the load on one of this setup. Let's look at the other one. See, the smart battery is still holding the load with the Delta Pro. Let's go ahead and start the other generator. Okay, the other generator just fired up. Let's see what happens. There you go. Turn the power off on the extra battery and put all the load on the generator. The generator's putting 1,500 watts out. Okay, just shut them down. So now that I shut off the generators, it will wait until it gets to 30% and it will automatically start the generator, because that's what I have it set at. So I can still control everything from the inside with these wireless controllers. Absolutely love those things. Give you all the information you need. Every time I get closer with the camera, it disconnects. So you'll see all the information you need right from the inside of the RV. No need to go outside. So like I told you guys before, my personal opinion, I think these devices, the EcoFlow and even the Blue Eddy, these are for home backup inside the garage. If you have one and you can put it inside the compartment, great. But keeping something so expensive outside, I wouldn't do it, especially rain. It might rain on it. Someone could pick this up and walk away. So if you have this for your house, if you have this as a home backup, great. It is not meant to be kept outside like this. This is just for demonstration purposes. I hope people don't think this is my personal backup system for my RV. I'm just showing this for my channel. So don't think this is what I use and put it outside like this. Absolutely not, guys. You got your EcoFlow smart generator, one for each leg. Okay, guys, just a quick video showing you how I set up the EcoFlow Delta Pro with the smart generators. I am going to be doing a full load test on this. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.